to the channel, my FX traders. This is a weekly forecast like we always do on Forex trading and basically on DXY, JPY, and gold sometimes. So our recent week was 37th week, right? Yes, 30, 37th week. In fact, 38th week. Yes, sorry, 38th week. So there's some error here. 38th week. That was a recent one. And let's in fact quickly look at the recap for the recent week with 38. Our expectation was that market will sell. In fact, on the height we were expecting. So week, which should actually be 38th week. I'll do that correction. I'll make in this area, purple area, expecting price to fall below, and then the sell should be massive, right? So generally, in a sense, it just from here, it zoom up to that bar, right? And then it started selling greatly. Check the recent video and then check that if whatever I'm saying is true or not. That is why I don't any markings. So you can see for yourself that markets began from here. There was a make you indecisive, you that I did, but I was not. In fact, I was unperturbed, right? And then actually, market started dipping greatly. If you entered around this area and then you got to this area, then lo and behold, in the course of the week, I also came back, my own analysis, I came back to check it again, and I realized that this lines, right? So you bear in mind, I told you that whenever we do analysis, it is the initial setup or initial analysis that we do. Then in the course of trend, how they are flexing their muscles in the course of the week. And then we can tell you that if it is going to continue or there may be some retracement, a pullback, and then we continue. So that I knew what was happening in the market. So I marked this, and then actually, market within the rectangular shape again, it started selling again. So someone could be buying and use the market. So that was it. So advise that. In fact, I suggested that you could actually what, if you are swinging, be in it and then enjoy. So that was it, and then it happened that way. At the moment, this is where we are. We are right. My analysis for the recent week has not changed. Now, hold your horses. We are still going to monitor that for the week. That is what I do. But it doesn't mean the market is going to move readily or yes, that's instant. It doesn't. Market doesn't move that way. So there can be some reactions here and there, right? In fact, market can then start coming down, or better say, even here can move around just below this markings, and then going to do is that I am going to set a precondition, right? That below this bar or this markings, especially below this recent swing low, right? Then the dip is going to be great one. So check that. So market can be what? Be moving, stalling here and there. But if it moves below this, trust me, we are going to what? But if it doesn't come below this, then we may still be what? This consolidation in this purple area would have what? In fact, would what extended to this area again, and then some. So this is what I mean, right? So it could be extended this way, and then now price will be moving within this what boundaries, right? Let me clean this out again. Initially within this rectangular shape. Now, if price does not come back to this area again and start going up again, that means that we are going, right? That's what I mean, right? But for now, I'll be most below this. Then we are going to enjoy another massive dip. Else, we will still be in that extended consolidation. So that's what I have to say and all that. I've already done that, right? So if you have been following this series, that's what I do the analysis so far, right? So breaks below this, and then we are going to experience another one. Else, more consolidation, or better, so you can even move to this area, and then I'll be monitoring in the Telegram channel. That is what I say all the time. You realize that sometimes what's confirmed in the Telegram channel. So that's what I suggest that free there. I have premium, but for this particular channel that I'm talking about, it's free. We give you general on DXY, JPY, and then gold. I know this was basically the price that we trade, right? If you understand DXY, you understand JPY, then do here. Now let's move to the JPY and then the penny week, right? So if you check here afterwards for the recent, then I'll hold whatever I do now, markings that we did. That was still with 38, right? So this is 37, with 38 is around this place. Right, let me check down here. See this first marking, the black marking here. That is where market began or open actually. And then we told you the video, the recent video, that if price we are going to experience another dip, a strong dip, right? So market open, it started going up. Study the market. If you know how candles or the market move, you will not be panic unless you're a newbie. So this is what happened. There was a strong what? Bullish candle here, and then another one formed, and then so it broke below here. And I came this one, I didn't draw it during the what? In the course of the week. I did another analysis. I was checking that if price once again breaks below, that is it. So normally when price done, right, it moves up. I instead of panicking and then exiting the market, I look for another opportunity and do something called pyramiding, right? I was scaling in. I don't know if you understand it, not to that stage that you can be what but when it's scaling in or pyramiding, it means that the same pair. That's what it means, right? So many should continue selling in that straight dipping. And it doesn't happen that way. When you start moving in opposite direction, you begin to panic. Sorry, you begin to panic that when it happens, it's actually another opportunity for them in position. This second market means that I could have probably have still here. It means that when price gets there, meaning that there's more fire there. So that's what it means, right? So I mark this one again and I realized that, okay, that was cool. But if price gets to this rectangular shape, right? We are expecting it to get to that rectangular shape. And then when it gets there, so it means that when it gets there, I know buying or selling that tip. That is what it means. So when it got here, I exited. And then money or so. That was it. And then that's what you're seeing. So the analysis on JPY, in fact, was 100% achieved, 50-50, or whether it's 60-50. Because maybe you could be in that trade and you may not be smart or sharp enough to exit before the market was on JPY. It was 100% what achieved. Now, going forward, now the perspective now is that we are going to move probably. I told you these markets are. Why is my machine being slow? I heard this. Sorry, move around or close to this market, right? And then when I say these things, it could actually take it to happen. So all that I have to know your style. Are you the type of this? So my style on this channel is what? Actually also engage in this. Just that you have to move to a lower time frame now. That's what it means. So you can actually trade my style, be monitoring your chart, your trade, leave it for the whole week. I only come to it, the DXY idea of what is happening on. So the scope I have. So I'm expecting, right? It may take time. That's what I'm expecting. So I'm just a market analyst. I'm not. Price can be stalling or be consolidating here. Wait and do something. You can actually get to this level. I'm telling you. And then a minute. And then go back this way. So this market, I'm not going to claim this. Let's see what happens. Like you know how I do on this channel. Is that if you're not in any trade, this particular JPY trade or swinging, please don't be in a hurry or don't fear. Right? And then let's see. Now, it may actually not come back. No, that's gearing up. Right. So let me give you another markings. Something that can help you. So let's see. So this is what I mean. So currently, where price is, right? If it moves above this, then we are not coming to this area again. Above this marking, this black marking, then don't expect price to come back to this level again. The character has changed, and then we are moving in that sense. But if it moves above here, we are going up. But market price can be considered line and then the blue line. So that's what I have to see. But in the course of the week, I'll give you the confirmation in the Telegram channel. Once the channel there, the premium is where we take the risk, right? So they understand I'm misleading them or that. They know what we mean, right? Gold, let's see if I can say something on gold, or probably I have to hold my okay. So where we are now, let me see. Let me give this. So gold generally is in what? An uptrend, right? But I have all that. There may be a pullback here and there. But if price moves below this rectangular shape, then we are going to enjoy a massive sell. My analysis is simple. I don't have scaring things. No. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, that's my style. Particular rectangular, then the character area. Let me see. To this area, right? If it moves below this button, enjoy a general selling to this area or close to that area. But if it doesn't, and it moves below, in fact, it moves above this particular bullish inverted hammer or pin bar, then we are going to continue with the buying. So hold your horses, please wait, and let's see what happens. So that's what I have to say basically. For the live, I'll be checking a Telegram channel. I don't trade. I have some other project that I'm handling, but this week I think I'll trade. I think so. See you in the next video. Check other interesting information, trading on Binance, Airdrop, and then yes. So look at you soon. Bye for now.